Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, you are most welcome to my channel. Let us start the chapter 3. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Question is, 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sun. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sun. How old are Nuri and Sun? First of all, here two statements are given, 5 years ago and 10 years later. For this, you will assume the present age of Nuri and Sun. Let the present age of Nuri X years and that of Sonu equal to Y years. Okay. Question, have you understood? 5 years ago, thrice, and 10 years later, twice. I am rubbing it because there is no need to write. Now, according to first statement, first statement, five years ago means 5 years ago, the age of Nuri will be X minus 5 and 5 years ago, the age of Sonu will be Y minus 5. Now, I am making the equation X minus 5 equal to thrice means 3 times into Y minus 5. X minus 5 equal to, I am taking 3Y minus 3 5 of 15. X 3y will come in this side, minus 3y equal to minus 15 and minus 5 will go in this side, plus 5. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. This is equation number 1. Now I am making the equation number 2 according to second statement. This is first equation, x minus 3y equal to minus 10. According to second statement, ten years later means after 10 years. After 10 years, the age will increase. After 10 years, the age of both Nuri and Sonu will increase. Therefore, the 10 will be added. After 10 years, the age of Nuri equal to x plus 10 years. After 10 years, the age of Sonu will be y plus 10 years. Now the condition is the age of Nuri will be twice the age of Sonu, meaning that x plus 10 equal to 2 times y plus 10. X plus 10 equal to 2y. I am breaking the bracket, 2y plus 2 10 are 20. X minus 2y equal to 2y will come in this side, it will become minus 20. 10 will go in this side, it will become minus. X minus 2y equal to 10. This is equation number 2. Now the making of equation has been complete. Now you have to find the values of x and y. For this I am rubbing it because there is no need to write. X minus 2y equal to 10. Number 2. By elimination method. I am solving it by elimination method. Both f excel, change the sign minus x, subtracting on subtracting. Minus, this minus will become plus, this minus cancel, minus 3y plus 2y, this is minus 3y and this is plus 2y. Because sign has changed. This was minus, now it has become plus. Then minus 3y plus 2y minus y. And this minus 10 will become minus 20. Therefore, y equal to 20. Now I am putting this value, y equal to 20 in equation 1. In equation 1, x minus 3 into, in place of y 20 equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10. This minus 60, it will become plus 60 in this side. Minus 60 will come in this side, it will become plus 60. Then x equal to 50. Now write clearly what is x, what is y. Write the clear. Clear means what? X is what? X is Nuri's age is 50 years. And Sonu's age is, this is 20 years. Complete. Solution is complete.